Hello friends, if you are searching how to cancel WP Engine subscription, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel your WP Engine subscription. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Method 1. Cancel WP Engine subscription online. Log in to the user portal. Expand billing. Select invoice. Open a modified hosting plan. Click on request cancellation. To cancel, fill out and submit the form. And you are done. Method 2. Cancel WP Engine subscription by calling. Call on 1-877-973-6446. The call is answered by one of their team representatives. You have to tell them to cancel your order. You will then provide them with your WP Engine subscription information. After some time, your cancellation process will be completed. And you are done. Only by using this method, you can easily cancel WP Engine subscription. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.